My name is Leo Carter. I am 22 years old and I come from a small and quiet town. Life in my town was simple and slow. Everyone knew everyone. Now my life is very different because I live in Brooklyn, New York, in the United States. Brooklyn is a big and busy place. There are many tall buildings, many people, and many cars on the road. The city is always moving. At first, everything feels strange to me. I feel excited about my new life, but I also feel nervous because this is my first time living in the USA. Every morning I wake up at 6:30 a.m. The sound of cars and buses wakes me up. I wash my face and make a cup of coffee. Then I stand near my window and look outside. I see people walking fast to work. Some people talk on their phones. Some people listen to music. Yellow taxis move quickly on the street. The sky is often light blue in the morning. When I see the city, I take a deep breath and say to myself, "This is my new life in America, and I must be strong." I work in a small coffee shop near a subway station. The name of the shop is Blue Bean Coffee. Many people come here every day. Some people come before work. Some people come during lunchtime. My boss is Mr. Jackson. He is a kind man with a calm voice. He knows that my English is not perfect. He speaks slowly and clearly with me. When I make a mistake, he does not get angry. He smiles and says, "It's okay, Leo, you are learning." On my first day at work, I feel very nervous. My hands shake when I hold the coffee cup. I listen carefully to the customers. Sometimes I do not understand their words, but I try my best. I ask them to repeat slowly. One morning, a young woman comes into the shop. Her name is Emma Reed. She smiles and orders a cup of coffee. I make her coffee carefully. When I give it to her, she says, "Thank you. You are doing a great job." Her kind words make my heart feel warm. During my break time, I sit near the shop and drink water. I watch people go in and out of the subway station. Everyone looks busy. Everyone has a different story. I hear many accents. Some people speak fast. Some people speak slowly. I listen and learn new words every day. I feel happy because my English is getting better little by little. After work, I walk home instead of taking the subway. I like to walk because I can see the city better. I pass small shops, food trucks, and street artists. Sometimes I stop and watch people play music. The sound makes me feel relaxed. Near my apartment, there is a small park. I often sit on a bench and rest. I watch children play and dogs run. The park feels calm, even in a busy city like New York. In the evening, I cook simple food in my small kitchen. Sometimes I make rice. Sometimes I make pasta. I eat alone, but I do not feel lonely. I think about my day and smile. At night, I call my family. I tell them about my job, my boss, and my new life in the USA. My family feels proud of me. Their words give me strength. Before I sleep, I read a few English sentences or listen to simple English videos. I want to improve my English and build a better future. Life in the USA is not easy, but I believe in myself. Every day, I learn something new. Every day, I move one step forward. I close my eyes with hope and say, "Tomorrow will be a better day."